What's up, eggheads? Kenan here with Newegg Now, always bringing you the best products for the best prices. In this video, we're looking at the Segotep GP 650 watt power supply. Segotep is an awesome company founded in 1986, and after nearly 20 years of R&D, then in 2003 becoming fully established as a computer case and power supply manufacturer. They've been producing for nearly 20 years since then. So tons of experience in the industry, very solid reputation. So you've picked a great manufacturer already. Let's open the box and get into it. Okay, here we are, everything in the box. You got a nice instruction manual, a little box with all the cables you're ever gonna need, and of course, the 650 watt power supply. Okay, first of all, it is fully modular. This is one of the most, if not the most useful aspects of PSUs these days. It reduces clutter in your case and improves the internal temperature of your system by maximizing airflow because you don't have useless cables blocking the airflow, right? You only connect the cables you absolutely need, and anything else can stay away. Helps you keep that clean look in the system as well. The GP 650 watt PSU is 80 plus gold certified, which means you get efficiency of at least 87% at any load between 20 and 100%. This saves money on your electricity bill, reduces heat in the computer, prolongs the life of your hardware, and it helps the environment. We're not wasting power, producing excess heat, and according to the reports on the website, under a 50% load, the efficiency is a whopping 91.05%, which stands out even in the gold certified class. Okay? It comes with the most comprehensive protection set possible, giving you that OVP, UVP, OPP, SCP, OCP, and OTP that's over voltage, power, and temperature protection, as well as under voltage protection and short circuit protection. This truly maximizes the safety of your critical system components. It's basically like having insurance for all of your hardware. Absolutely critical. And that is pretty much it, everybody. The Segotep GP 650 watt power supply. Make sure that it's going to fit your case, all right? The dimensions are 6.2 inches by 5.9 inches, and it's got a depth of 3.4 inches. Pretty standard size. Outstanding electrical performance with ultra stable voltage and clean power output. Again, you get that full suite of protection. It's 80 plus gold certified, which tells us how efficient it is. And Segotep is going to hook you up with a 5-year warranty as well. That's how much they believe in their product. It's pretty rare to get 5-year warranties just thrown in for free these days. Let us know what you think of the Segotep GP 650 watt power supply in the comments and reviews. For current prices, please check the description or click that link below. Thanks for letting me share this one with you guys and gals. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know.